Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Baby monitors are a great investment, especially if you have a toddler who likes to get into trouble. They let you keep an eye on your little angel without having to risk your safety or sanity. They also give you peace of mind, knowing that they're watching out for the little one even when you're away. But when you start to have a baby, you might be wondering which one to get. There are so many brands and models out there. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of car mirror monitor on the market. You can see the product link in the description of the video below. Number 1.
You can see I'm very clear. It's a nice large screen. This gets suctioned down up here and it's very sticky, so you don't have to worry about it moving at all. Or the car, or just your child.
Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5.